today I thought it would be really fun to do a mani nail art using some of the bottom selling hollow taco polishes. And actually, I've always been wanting to do this tiger print polish, and these three polishes are perfect for the tiger print. So we have Orange Drink, Lemon Sucker, and Lemon Spritzer. Along with that, I will be using the top-selling hollow taco polish, which is One Coat Black. The base and top coat I use are by Maxus. First, I'm going to add base coat to all of my nails, and that'll help protect the nails from staining and make the manicure last longer. On the non-accent nails, I'm just going to paint them black. Now I'm going to take a makeup sponge, or part of a makeup sponge. I like to use a piece that's about as wide as my nail. That way I don't have a lot of cleanup around the edge. So that's what I'm going to use today. And before I do any sponging, I'm just going to use some body latex that I have. I want most of the nail orange, so I'm gonna do most of the side orange. And I'm going to go into the darker color yellow and then the lighter color yellow. I'm just going to dab this on my nails. I'll need a couple more coats. So when you dab it, just and go from right to left, and make sure you're like pushing firmly down so you're getting a lot of the polish on there. Now you do have to wait in between layers or you're just gonna rip up the polish. And don't dab too much. You'll do the same thing. It's just going to stick to the sponge. I think I want a little bit more orange. I got a little bit too much yellow on that last thing, so I'm going to put down the yellow first. And then the orange. Then the lighter color orange over here. I mean, lighter color yellow. Okay, let's see what this looks like. I guess that's okay. I did 3 coats with the sponge, and now I'm just going to lift off the liquid latex. And clean up around the edges. And I'm going to attempt to draw some tiger stripes. Alright. looking enough. They don't have to be straight. So that is a big plus. I had to watch some videos on how to do this. Something about like making some Y shapes, kind of thing. Kind of saw a shape like this. All right, yeah, I don't think that looks that bad at all. All right. Not too bad. Now I don't want to smear the stripes, so what I am doing is I'm putting my smudge-free top coat over the top that I use for stamping. This also works great for nail art. I'll just let that dry. Now that the smudge-free top coat is dry, I'm going to go in with my Maxus Finito top coat, and this will help the manicure last longer. And the smudge-free top coat doesn't take long to dry, but it just puts a protective barrier between your nail art and your top coat so that there's no chance of smearing the design. This is the finished manicure. It is super quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.